Hey friend, this is Come Just As You Are. I'm going to teach it to you in the key of C. And as always, click on the video description below, and I do have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. All right, in the key of C, we have some main chords, C, F, G, and then in this song we have an A minor, D minor, and E minor. So let's go through those real quick. Got a C chord here, C, E, G. I'm just going to go through the verse 1 chords. G chord, G, B, D. F chord is right next door. F, A, C. A minor, A, C, E. And then we have a D minor, D, F, A. And then E minor is right next door. E minor, E, G, B. Okay. So review, we have a C chord, G chord, F chord, A minor, D minor, and E minor. Okay, when our right hand is playing chords, left hand can just put thumb on C here, line up your 5 fingers, and then you don't have to move this hand. You'll just open it a little bit here. So I'll show you. Single notes here, C to C chord, G to G in the bass, F to F, A minor, A in the bass. Then when you're D, you're just going to open your thumb up to the D right here. D in the bass here to D on top. And then E, you could just open it one more. Otherwise, you see what I'm saying? You can leave this hand here, just swing this open for the D, swing this thumb open for the E. Okay, the rhythm that we're going to do to bring the two hands together is quite simple as well. So we're going to do together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. You could practice that on any of the chords. Here's a G chord, F chord, together, right, together, right, A minor, and so on. You could just practice through getting those two hands to work together. Okay, so add some vocals to it, and here we go in verse 1. Come just as you are, together, right, A minor, the Spirit call, F, C, just as you are. Okay, then we're going to open up to the D minor. There we go. Come and see, together, right. Move to the C. Come and see, sorry, come receive. Then to the F. Come and live for G ever. Okay, and then the chorus, you're just going to drop down to the F here, and you're going to do the same rhythm. Life ever, C chord here, lasting, F, and strength for two, a C chord, day, back to the F, taste the living water, A minor. Then we're going to move to the D minor there, so open up your thumb, move up to the D minor here, and let's see it, never thirst again. And I've heard that melody line different for people sing it differently. So that's kind of how I do it. Never thirst again. Okay. Verse 2 is going to repeat itself. So I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. And as always, enjoy and just worship along with me.